Hey Crystal, I just thought I'd make this quick video to give you some feedback on your TED Talk preparation handout. So first of all, great job on your audience analysis. I think I'm just curious to know about your answer here to this first question. My topic piques the curiosity of my audience because we can all relate to my topic. That's absolutely true. But did you have a chance to do a quick survey with your audience to just kind of see what their current stress level is or what they are currently doing to manage their stress? That information might help you when you're preparing your speech to know if you, where you need to start, like what their previous knowledge is with your topic. Also, I noticed here that your presentation you're going to do is a PowerPoint. That's great. For this assignment, though, you will need to use 2 presentation aids. So it sounds like PowerPoint is one, and I'm curious to know what might be another presentation aid that you could use. And just kind of thinking off the top of my head, you might consider making a handout with a stress management technique or some kind of tool to help your audience manage stress as finals come around the corner, or that might be a nice partnering, so 2 presentation aids there. But of course, it's really up to you. There's tons of options. It's just a matter of what you think will be the best fit for this presentation and with this particular audience. I like how you're starting your speech with something else other than hi, my name is and my topic is. You're kind of just going right into it, which is what polished professional speakers do. So I'm glad to see that you're doing that here on your final speech. You might want to think about a way to kick it to the next level. I don't know if there's an interesting quote or statistic or something that could really catch their attention and show how valuable your speech will be for them. So that's just an idea if you have time to kind of kick it to the next level. Your thesis statement is spot on. Also, I think the rest of your introduction is really well prepared. The only thing that you might see other than your attention getter is really work on that preview of your 3 main ideas. In your preview, I know it's different than you would in a paper. It's much more repetitive in a speech because you're trying to help your audience listen and remember your ideas, where reading, they can kind of go back and read it if they need to revisit it. So be sure to directly state each of your 3 points here and try to be as repetitive as you can to help everybody remember what your main ideas are. Your body seems to be coming along. You have 3 main ideas, which look very thoughtful, really well organized. I just note that your supporting material here is, while it does have research, I can see you have the Washington Post here. And you have here another source, which is outstanding. It's a good idea to include all 3 of your sources in your speech. That way you can remember to say them when you're presenting, because you will need to say those sources out loud. And once again, just kind of practice to make sure you have enough supporting material. It looks kind of sparse, just looking through it. So just want to make sure that you have enough prepared so that your speech gets to that 8 to 10 minute goal that we've set. In your conclusion, you have your summary of your main ideas, and it does look like this is a little bit more detailed than the preview of your main ideas. So that's maybe this would be a good model for your preview and your introduction. You restate your thesis, outstanding, and then you do end on an important note, but maybe there's a way to make that a little bit more creative and a little bit more memorable between now and when you present. Your references, you got 3 here, and they're almost in APA format. When you're using APA, you want to make sure to list them in alphabetical order, so this one would actually be first. Alright, hope this feedback is helpful, and please know I'm cheering you on. I can't wait to see your speech.